Welcome back. Now, it's quite possible that for some of your supporting content, you want to use audio. Perhaps you have an interview, perhaps you have a presentation or a lecture, or you just want to record audio and upload it as part of your content. You'll need to first capture that audio, and then you'll need to edit it and then put it in a form that will be acceptable to Udemy. So first, let's discuss how you'll capture the audio. Now, one way to capture an interview or audio into an MP3 format is to use the website freeconferencecall.com. You'll be able to have a phone conversation with another individual, conduct an interview, and then have that interview recorded and take the download to use in your business. In a more traditional sense, GoToWebinar will allow you to record a phone conversation. However, the format will be MP4 for you to download. And of course, there are other webinar solutions such as Zoom and Join.me. Now, if you use the desktop web application Skype, you can record a Skype conversation that you have where you're conducting an interview or you're actually talking into Skype, and you can do that with software like ecam and others that will help you to record your Skype conversations. An old version for Windows is Pamela for Skype. Another site that allows you to digitize audio conversations is Instant Teleseminar. Once again, it will allow you to conduct interviews as well as capture audio presentations. You can also record in the downloadable audio editor called Audacity. Finally, you can use any version of Camtasia by using the voice narration feature, which will allow you to record your voice and have the audio appear on the timeline. All you'll need to do then is to edit the audio to suit your course.